Hello everyone. Today is day 18 and today's problem is minimum cost path with edge reversals. In this problem, you are given number of nodes in a graph and the edges available. Here you can see there are 4 nodes 0, 1, 2, 3 and the edges this is U, V, W. U is the starting node of the edge, V is the ending or destination node of the edge, and W is the weight of the edge. So from 0 to 1 weight is 3. So 0 to 1 weight is 3. 3 to 1 weight is 1. 3 to 1 weight is 1. 2 to 3 weight is 4. 2 to 3 weight is 4. And 0 to 2 weight is 2. 0 to 2 weight is 2. What we have to do is we have to calculate the minimum distance basically. We have to calculate the minimum distance to go from 0 to n minus 1 node. In this case, it will be 0 to 3. For that, what we will do is we are gonna apply Dijkstra algorithm for this, but in this there is one catch, that is we can use edge reversals, which means this edge is from 3 to 1. So we can basically use this edge from 1 to 3, but what we have to do in that case is if you are using from 1 to 3, then the weight, which is initially 1, will be multiplied by 2 for using it from 1 to 3. So if you go from 0 to 1, then the first weight will be 3, plus if you are going from 1 to 3, you can go from 1 to 3 because you can use edge reversals, and the weight will be twice the original weight. So twice the 1 is 1, so 2 is equals to 5. So going from 0 to 3 via this route will cost us 5, and from this route it will cost us 2 plus 4, 6. So the minimum distance from this both is 5. So like this only in other test cases we have to find this minimum distance. So, and also remember that here we have used this reversal, so we can use reversal only once for one edge, means we can only use it we can only reverse it once only. For example, if this one is a small, but if you have big graph like 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to, let's say, 6 to 5 to 4, you can see in, let's say, in this graph, if you're going from 0 to 2 and 2 to 5, and from here you want to go to 5 to 4, but the edge is 4 to 5. So once you go 5 to 4, because you can use reversal once, then after coming here you cannot reverse that edge once more. You can only reverse it once. So what we will do is we will build adjacency list, but in the adjacency list we will also add the reverse nodes. Like here you can see from 1 we cannot go anywhere, but by reversing edges we can go to 0 and 3. So we will add that. To 3 if we go, we will require 2 weight, and for 0 we will require 6 weight. Similarly, from 0 you can go to 1 to 2. From 2 you can go to 3, and using edge reversal you can also go to 0. And from 3 you can go to 1, and using edge reversal you can go to 2. So we will build this adjacency list, and then we will apply the default Dijkstra algorithm to find the minimum distance and return the minimum distance. Thank you.